Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, sorry, let me try this here. As you can see by that box on the table, we're going to take a look at something pretty cool from CRKT today. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to show you what came in that box. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers of the channel, take a look right down below. You can see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead, click on that thing, get it out the way early, and you will feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alrighty guys, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the CRKT Eros stainless steel. I've been wanting this one for a very, very long time. This little beauty is a Ken Onion design. It's sweet, it's elegant, it's simplistic in its design, and it is a great gentleman's folder. I mean, if you just look, you can easily tell by looking at it, it's a Ken Onion, just because of the big swooping, beautiful lines that are trademark of his work. I have been wanting this for a while. I couldn't really afford the titanium version, so I went with basically the stainless steel. And all that really means is not the blade steel, but the scales are stainless steel. The other one, I guess they're titanium. So I'd rather pay the amount for this one than the titanium one, which is almost double this guy. Alright, so let's go into the stats like we usually do. Overall length of 6.94 inches. The blade is 2.84, enclosed it's 4.06. Now, it has a very okay weight to it, especially for a gentleman's folder of 2.8 ounces. As you can see, it does have the fine edge. It's done in what they call a drop point style, but I almost look at that more of a spear. And I'm surprised with a Ken Onion, it's not more belly in the blade itself. It does have a satiny finish with a hollow grind, and it's an AUS 8 steel with a Rockwell rating of 57 to 58. Now, where was it? Oh, wow, they don't have it listed. Okay. This does have the IKBS opener, which makes things just rockety sweet. It has a single position pocket clip, right hand carry, tip down. And his pocket clip on this one is really weird compared to the other ones. Now, as you saw, it's got a frame lock, which really ratchets in there nicely. Little lanyard hole, and unusually, it's made in Taiwan. I mean, I was expecting China or, Hawaii or something like that, but nope, Taiwan. Alright, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, sorry, for some reason, CRKT is discontinuing this one. Probably because it's cheaper and they want people to buy the titanium. But let's have some fun with our usual round of testings. Heavy duty stock paper. Exactly what I would expect from a Ken Onion blade. Just buttery smooth going through there. Wow. No problem with that pull test. If you can hear that in the background, that's my daughter not wanting to take a nap today, so she's mad at me. Alright, ratchet strap. No problem. Okay, so let's take a look at costs like we usually do. Over on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Now, Blade HQ, you can find it for $49.95. Over on CRKT, it's going to run you roughly $70 at $69.99. And over on Amazon, it's $47.24. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed once for a 4 out of 5 star rating. On CRKT, it's got a 3.5 out of 5 with 2 reviews. Now, the ones I find most telling were on Amazon, 144 reviews, 4 out of 5 star rating. Very overwhelmingly positive on this model. I guess the only reason CRKT was killing it is because people were going for the lower end. Just my assumption. But I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything down below. You know I'm going to get back with you and we're going to have some fun discussing this guy. Man, she's really working up a storm up there. Whew, she's going to cry herself out. Okay, guys, I got to go check on her, so we're going to do the quick wrap up here. Now, if you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. I really appreciate the fact you invested your time in it because I know how much your time is valuable to you, and there's so many other options out there on YouTube. Now, if you first-timers and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of this video, here's our second chance at redemption. Right down there. In just a sec or two, is going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Click on that thing, it's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Why? Good question. Because it's going to inform you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My tabletop look at a Ken Onion's CRKT Eros stainless steel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day today.